So change of plans. When we pulled out the faucet, it's not the faucet that Natalie wanted, so we're gonna have to order something. But in the meantime, the countertop has this edge on this side. It's a little higher, so I want to secure it down. So what I ended up buying was a little lag screw, and that lag bolt is gonna have to fit through right here. So I drilled a hole, but at the same time I might have to take out a little bit of material so I can get this thing to rest a little bit higher, because I want it to stick in the countertop maybe about this much, but if it goes all the way in, it's only getting the tip. So we need to take some of this material out, and we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna mount the chopping block. Perfect. Show you what it looks like right now. I went ahead and I put in that lag bolt. Here's that butcher block that's underneath the countertop right now. It's on these rails, and it just slides on out. Let me show you. So the top, went ahead and Natalie likes stars, so we got a custom theme. And there's all kind of stuff up in here. Trying to finish one thing at a time, it's hard. But here we have some 100-year-old cypress. Really, it's older than that, but we're putting this down right here, and I'm gonna screw it in from the bottom. It's real beautiful. I just got a couple of screws to put up right here and put the drawer back. Should be good.
We breaking out of quarantine, guys.
We're going on a date today.
We're going on a date for the first time since quarantine started. We are excited.
Bella went where?
Bella went by Poppy, which she missed terribly. That's my dad. We are so excited. We have decided the only place to go for our breakout quarantine meal would be our favorite, which is
Banana Blossom in Gretna, Louisiana.
Yes. New Orleans is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but Gretna's a little calmer. It's a little calmer. You don't need it. It's just a little calmer. Banana Blossom. Yo, it's Northern Thai. And I'm gonna say Northern Thai because it's a little different than most Thai restaurants, I feel. So what we're gonna do is tell you what you need to get when you go. You're gonna get an appetizer of roti. If you're really hungry, get y'all each a one. Get extra sauce. It's the most amazing little chewy, flaky croissant flatbread you have ever experienced in your life. It was it's amazing.
Crepe.
Like a Thai crepe. Then you can try any of their appetizers. They're all really great. They have clams in this amazing sauce. They have oysters in this amazing sauce. Calamari, calama, as we say. They have this stuffed chicken wing. Not my favorite, but it's really popular and it's interesting. So anyway, for your entree, you're gonna get Chiang Mai noodle.
That's a must.
A must. We normally do not eat the same thing all the time. We cannot help ourselves with this. We have yet to order anything. We've probably been there 30 times. We've yet to order anything different. We crave it, as he said. Y'all, get the Chiang Mai noodle. He likes the crispy chicken.
You like to get that coconut
I
shrimp.
love the coconut shrimp. And
I might try that today.
you can pick your levels of heat. I get medium, which y'all typically I've been having some issues with the tum tum with spicy food. This does not give me any issues. It's amazing. I get the medium, he gets a mild, and then it comes with like it's fancy ramen and some kind of curry, red curry I think, with coconut cream or coconut milk, with this fried noodle on top that sops up the sauce. Oh, y'all, it's just ridiculous. I can't wait to eat it. I will eat outside in the heat if I have to eat that. It's gonna be heated. All my makeup's gonna be melted, but whatever. It's worth it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Yay. What, pretend like you're washing hands. Is it in a good spot? No, we wouldn't. Good?
Well, yeah.
Tico, what the hell? Bella, what did you do to that dog? What is it?
Some paper.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Tico, come here. Come here.
Oh, he don't listen. Where the hell he's going? Tico! He's going to pee on his favorite thingamajig. Look at him. He's going to get swapped up, Sean.
I'm gonna protect him. Go. Tico, come here.
Cool. You better calm it.
Come on. Wind blowing.
I don't know where he's at. Boom.
Boom.